Jack on the Go show.
Now it's time for Restaurant Roulette.
Alright, we're just leaving our house now, and I want to just take a moment to explain. You guys seem to be confused about what Restaurant Roulette is, what Recipe Roulette is. If you ever played roulette, it's spinning the wheel and spinning the ball the other direction, and it randomly lands on a place. So we are just like, right now we're driving, we're going to look for a place that serves food. We've never heard of it. We've never been told of it. We're just going to jump in and try it out. Another Restaurant Roulette. Now on the cooking show, we're going to be doing Recipe Roulette, and that is just randomly opening a cookbook to a recipe. No matter what it lands on, we have to cook it. That's it. Okay, so it's called Best Eats now. This is the Sunday menu. What is today?
It's just the menu.
It's a regular menu. Okay. Do it yourself. So you buy a burger and you get to top it off with any of this stuff. You got sandwiches, BLT, fried bologna sandwich. Crispy chicken, turkey club. Kids menu. They got all meal server fries, chips, mac and cheese, and drink, peanut butter jelly. Okay. And then the other side, what do we got? What is this?
Salisbury steak, chicken and waffles.
Was this their catering menu?
No, this is just their dinner
Regular.
entrees.
Okay. I see. Are these sides right here? Okay, I found out a little more information. The Casablanca before was somebody else, and they just face planted like Peter Griffin. So this place seems really positive. They cater, they got a great selection of food. Very cool. So we're gonna get a little taste of everything. We got the chicken waffles, fried bologna sandwich, had to get that, and then we got the burger. We're gonna take a bite of everything and try it and see how it is. It took like 5 minutes. That burger looks amazing.
Thank you so much.
Take the plate for me. Thank you. That looks really good. Now, there you go. I was showing you the wrong side. We got the chicken and waffles. We got the fried bologna. We got some onion rings. All looks good. All right, so we're gonna start with this fried bologna. It almost looks like they put 2 pieces in there. This is what we made at home. It's amazing. Smells good. Look at the size of that patty. Isn't that amazing? It's great. We get it all over. They give her a lot of chicken.
A lot of them.
Is that good? Everything was great. That's pretty much it. I was going to give him an A, but I'm giving him an A+ because the prices were surprisingly affordable. Really. What was it, like $10 for a burger?
Yep.
And $1 for fries?
$2.
Oh, $2 for fries. That's not bad. But I mean, they had $9, they had $5 sandwiches. I mean, there's something for everybody. If you don't go here, at least check them out for catering. It's like the whole family came out and brought the food, and we loved it. It's such a great mom and pa, hole in the wall. Power breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's called Best Eats. Established in 2020. Probably the only good thing that came out of 2020, other than my son's wedding. So, show them some love. I mean it. Seriously, swing by here. Look them up on Google. I'll have the city down below. But basically, wow, that's impressive. Oh, and by the way, while I was eating, a message came through from, I think, Anthony, that said he does, with his girlfriend or wife, I can't remember, he does Restaurant Roulette. They do that on their date night. That's so cool. All right, guys, had a blast on this one. What a surprise. Best Eats, A+. I love you. See you in the next one.